Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Sora 2 completely unlimited using a free AI platform, plus how to remove the annoying Sora 2 watermark using the same tool. And I'll show you an extra bonus method you can use as an alternative. Let's dive in. So first things first, go to your browser and type Digen.ai. This is the main interface you will see when the site loads. But to start using Sora 2 unlimitedly through this AI tool, you need to log in. You can sign up using your Gmail account or using a temporary email. For most people, temp mail works great. So open a new tab, search for temp mail, choose any temp mail provider you prefer, let it load, and it will generate an instant email address. Click to copy the email. Now go back to Digen sign up page, paste in the email, get your verification code from temp mail, confirm your email password, and click on done. And boom, you now have free unlimited access. But for this tutorial, I'll be signing in using my Gmail account. Now we are officially inside Digen.ai. Now that you're officially inside Digen.ai, to get Sora 2 unlimitedly, head to the AI apps section. Here you'll see multiple premium tools available for free, such as Nano Banana. Look for Sora 2 and click on it. Once you click on Sora 2, this is the interface you will see. You can see that here we can generate videos unlimitedly using Sora 2. Now paste in your text prompt in the text box. Select your video duration, 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Choose your aspect ratio. I chose 16:9. Then click on this icon to generate. The video may take up to 2 minutes to fully process and give you your results. So just give it a moment. Once it's done, click on download. You will notice that this video has a watermark, but don't worry, we are going to still remove it using the same Digen tool. Now to remove the watermark in our video, click on the AI tools icon, this particular one. You will see video watermark remover. Click on it. Upload the video which you just downloaded, then click on remove watermark. Choose the deep clean option. The deep clean option removes the watermark much accurately. Give it a moment, and here you can clearly see the before and after results. Once you are happy with the results, click save and download your watermark-free video. Another alternative way to remove watermark from your video is by using an external AI tool. So search for Magic Eraser. Once you search for that, click on it, upload your video. Use the brush tool to highlight the watermark area. Click remove now. Now download your clean version. That's super simple, right? If this video was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share for more tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.